How to track Walmart order. In order to track your Walmart order, you just want to check the shipping confirmation email from a direct pickup line. What you want to do is here, you want to open up your Walmart application on your device, log into your account. Once logged in, you go to the account section from the bottom right corner of the screen. All right. So when you have these section, you will be able to see purchase history and tap onto this view all from the top right corner of the screen. As you do this, here you will be able to find the purchase history of your past order, all that stuff. You just want to locate the order you want and just tap onto track shipment to view the status. Then you can carry the carrier's the info and the delivery details as well. And when your order ships, Walmart sends a confirmation email with a direct tracking link to follow its journey as well. And that's how you're going to track Walmart order. And with that, I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.